After installing our GroceryBuddy WordPress plugin, you can simply once you have activated our plugin, its free version or pro version, your choice. Free version can be obtained from here. After you have activated Grocery Shop WordPress plugin, you will see the option page like this, where you can copy the shortcode which you can use in a page, which page can become your shop page in the format of our GroceryBuddy plugin. So let's create a page. As we have created, going to pages, we have created a grocery shop page and going to add new and placing the shortcode here, and then you can see all your WooCommerce items are visible here now in accordion format. So the main product here on top is the featured product, and you can select your featured category here, and that category should have only 2-3 products, so page do not become very lengthy. So see, this is how people how customers can add something to their cart, and how they can add let's say nuts to their cart, and if they select 0, it will be removed from their cart, and the order limit is $60. So whatever is less than $60, that will be just the fees, extra fees. But once an order is above $60, then that extra fees will be gone. These fees and the discount on large orders are options you can obtain in our pro version, and you can see these are the categories of WooCommerce. You can exclude categories, you can include categories, you can exclude categories, and once you click on the checkout button here, it will take you to the checkout page. Sorry for this bad design checkout page. We are not using a WooCommerce theme. You can see here one this thing, one this thing, one this thing, 26 these thing, and total 111. Whatever is your payment process, that will be executed. I hope you like this plugin, and if you need any special feature or if you need any other services, you can contact us anytime. Thank you for your thank you.